Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for those taking their first steps into the world of investing. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about investing apps for beginners. Whether you're a college student dipping your toes into the investment pool or someone looking to grow their wealth steadily, this video is your ultimate guide to finding the perfect app to kickstart your investment journey. So, grab your notebooks and get ready to discover the top investing apps that are tailor-made for beginners. Let's jump right in. We'll explore the top contenders in the investing app arena, starting with Webull. Webull is an exceptional choice for investors of all kinds, whether you're a newbie or having a bit more experience under your belt. Webull has truly captured the hearts of younger investors. If you're part of the generation that's keen on taking charge of their financial future, you're in good company here. The platform's user-friendly interface and approachable features have resonated with a new wave of investors, making it a hub for those who want to learn, grow, and make their mark in the financial markets. What sets Webull apart? Well, it's a powerhouse that boasts user-friendliness, fractional shares for investing even with small amounts, advanced technical analysis tools for seasoned traders, and the added bonus of investing in a diverse range of cryptocurrencies. Webull is the go-to platform for those who want to embrace the world of investing without any limitations. No more worrying about hefty account sizes. Here, anyone can join the party. And guess what? Say goodbye to those commission fees that eat into your hard-earned profits. Webull brings commission-free trading right to your fingertips. Now, it's important to note that Webull isn't your traditional full-service broker. It takes a bit of a DIY approach, which means you're in control of managing certain aspects of your portfolio. It's like having a toolbox of investment tools. You get to pick and choose what works best for you. But before we jump into the app itself, let's address the top concerns that many beginners have about Webull. How much is the cost to trade stocks? Well, the great news is there are no commission fees when trading stocks on Webull. That means every dollar you earn is yours to keep. Webull also supports trading in an impressive 44 different cryptocurrencies. However, if you're dealing with larger sums, consider securing a crypto wallet for that extra peace of mind. Webull enables you to buy fractional shares, which means you can invest in parts of a stock rather than having to buy an entire share. If you're into options trading, Webull is also an excellent choice. It's equipped with top-notch technical analysis tools and extended trading hours, making options trading a breeze. Webull is your ticket to the financial markets with no account size barriers and commission-free trading. While it may require a bit of a DIY touch on your portfolio management, it's a platform that empowers you to take control of your investments. And if you're a young investor looking for a place to grow and learn, Webull welcomes you with open arms. A couple more things to note about Webull. You can create retirement accounts, invest in ETFs, and take advantage of extended trading hours. Overall, for beginners, we'd rate Webull an 8 out of 10 for ease of use. Next up, let's talk about Moomoo, an app that certainly has its perks for beginners. Moomoo isn't your typical run-off-the-mill trading app. It's a fresh face in the free online trading space, backed by the new heavyweight champions of venture capital. And guess what? It's not here to blend in, but to make a splash. One of the standout features of Moomoo is its treasure trove of articles. If you're new to stock trading or looking to brush up on the basics, this app has you covered. With an extensive library of articles, it's like having a mentor by your side guiding you through the trading journey. And let's not forget about those visuals. Moomoo is all about making your trading experience visually appealing. With great visuals right in the app, understanding stock trends and market movements becomes a breeze. Here's the interesting part. Moomoo didn't just pop out of nowhere. It actually started its journey in Asia with a primary focus on Hong Kong. But now, as it spreads its wings in the US market, it brings something unique to the table. Not only does Moomoo offer trading in the US, but it also provides a low-cost gateway to the Chinese stock market, also known as the A-share market and the bustling Hong Kong Stock Exchange. It's like having a passport to the global stock markets investments right at your fingertips. You'll be delighted also to know that there are no fees for trading stocks on Moomoo. While Moomoo doesn't support crypto trading or fractional shares, it's still worth exploring if these aren't your priorities. If options trading is your game, Moomoo shines with its comprehensive technical analysis tools, setting you up for informed decisions. Just a few points to consider about Moomoo. It excels in options trading due to its extensive technical analysis tools. However, the app might be slightly more complicated for beginners, earning it a 6 out of 10 for ease of use. Lastly, let's discuss Robinhood, a well-known app designed with beginners in mind. Robinhood is all about making trading a breeze. With its sleek mobile app design, it's clear that they've embraced a mobile-first approach. This intuitive platform allows you to navigate the market seamlessly, offering basic features that are perfect for those who want to get in and get things done quickly. But what's the real game changer? No trading fees or commissions. That's right. This platform turned the industry on its head by challenging the norm. As a result, many other brokers had to follow suit, reducing or even eliminating their trading fees to stay competitive. Fractional share trading takes accessibility to a whole new level. You can invest in slices of stocks with as little as $1, and if you're into cryptocurrencies, Robinhood provides direct crypto access. Buying and selling various coins has never been easier. Now, let's talk about some of the handy features for managing your cash. With the innovative Cash Card, you can invest your purchase rewards. And guess what? You can earn up to 1.5% on your cash sweep accounts. Plus, the recurring investment functionality lets you automate your investments, putting you in control. Now, as with any platform, there are also some aspects to consider. Let's explore the cons of Robinhood. One limitation is the range of assets offered. While they've added retirement accounts, some investors might be looking for more. Fixed income, mutual funds, foreign exchange, and futures trading aren't available here. Plus, only specific types of accounts can be opened, leaving out options found elsewhere. Another drawback is the limited research and educational content. The research tools might not measure up to what you'd find with competitors. No stock or ETF screeners, and the educational materials, while improving, have room to grow in terms of topics and formats. Another word of caution, Robinhood's customer service has been criticized for its response times, and the app has faced account freezing issues in the past. While it's incredibly beginner-friendly, there are concerns about its reliability, earning it a 5 out of 10 in that category. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive rundown of the top investing apps tailored to beginners. We hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to start your investment journey on the right foot. Remember, the key is to choose an app that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. But as with anything, it's essential to weigh the pros against the cons to make the right choice for your trading journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more insightful content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on investing apps, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for joining us on this investing journey. And if you're ready to take the next steps toward financial empowerment, be sure to check out our videos on Master the Art of Trading and Investing, Know the Difference, and Investing for Beginners. These videos are the perfect starting point to enhance your investment strategy. See you!